Good evening, sir.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guru Namaha. White to plain win. White to plain win.
The bishop to 7.
No. Rook moment.
Sir, rook to rook.
Rook to rook to rook to rook. Rook to rook. Then queen into queen.
Then rook g7.
No, h7 is correct. H7.
Okay, sir.
Now d into pawn. Rook into rook. Move here, unstoppable. Now unstoppable queen. You are one queen up. Did you get?
Sir, why will? Okay, sir. Let's don't.
Did you get it? Got it?
Okay, sir. Now got it. Because even if the bishop goes to d7, rook takes bishop, then sir, it's not unstoppable queen, sir.
Now what will you play? 1 minute, we'll check.
No, go back.
Okay. Rook into rook, what will you play?
Rook into rook, queen to queen,
Into queen. Pawn to queen.
h7.
H7 check. Now king. No. Now h7. Now king into rook. Pawn to queen. What will you play?
Bishop d7.
Bishop d7. Then rook into bishop. Check.
Oh, I didn't see that. It's check.
Yes. Did you get it?
Yes, sir. Sir, today I had a little less network.
Sir.
Good.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. White to what is that Dutch? What is that Dutch?
Previous problem.
We wanted previous problem. Oh. Now what you first movement is rook into rook. What will you play?
Queen to queen.
Queen to queen. Now I will play h7. No. I will play h7. You play?
h7.
h7. What will you play?
Sir, pawn to queen. You didn't do that.
No, check is there. Now
Oh.
pawn to queen. Now pawn to queen. Did you get it?
Yes.
Sir, bishop d7.
Bishop d7, then rook into d7. Check.
Then rook to f8, rook f8.
Check is there. No, check is there. Check is there. Check is there.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Judah. Good evening, Shaurya. Did you get it? Check is there now. Did you get it?
Sir, can you show the problem, sir, from first?
Okay. White to play in win. What will you play?
Sir, pawn push.
No.
h7.
No. Rook into f7 is correct.
Okay, sir.
Now, queen to queen. What will you?
Sir, then queen into queen.
No. Pawn to pawn. No. Now pawn push. Now here. Now if bishop comes here, rook into bishop. Check. Rook into rook. Now queen.
Sir, why will bishop come there, sir? Why will bishop come there?
What will you play now? What will you play?
Oh, the queen. Okay, sir, I got it. The queen is going to promote.
Yes.
Okay, got it, sir.
Now rook into rook. Now pawn push queen. Got it?
Yes, sir.
White to play in win. White to play in win.
Sir, knight into pawn.
White to play, not
See, rook into pawn. Rook into pawn. Rook into pawn.
with rook. Where can
Rook into knight. Sir, rook into knight, sir. Rook into
Okay.
knight.
Rook into f8. So king into f8. What will you play?
Sir, can I say just the coordinates, sir? But I don't know to say rook into that and all, sir.
You have to tell because otherwise it will not be correct answer. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir. BG, sir, BG6.
no. Queen movement.
Sir, queen.
You
Sir, queen.
H8.
We are it is correct. Now, king g7. Now, what will you play?
Sir, pawn push.
Pawn push to
Six.
Bishop g6.
E.
Bishop g6 is correct.
Oh, it's mate.
If king kills, then it is mate.
Queen H5 mate.
If king doesn't kill, king comes here, what will you play?
Sir, then queen. Sir, then queen.
E8. Queen to G8.
Sir,
Queen
queen C8.
Queen to g8. Now, I'll move king here. What will you do?
Sir, queen C8 is mate, no, sir. Queen C8.
g8 mate. Okay, 1 minute.
Let me. No, sir, queen. After
Yes, sir.
queen moves, we can play bishop
Sir,
F5.
both sides are correct.
Both the answers are correct. Correct. Queen g8 is correct.
Sir, how, sir? How queen G, that is correct, sir. Queen
Queen
G8.
c8 is
Sir, the
correct.
queen can block now, sir.
Queen
Sir,
can
the
block,
queen
then
can block.
bishop can come here.
Sir,
Check.
then bishop will come and we
Bishop
can
will
take the
come.
queen.
You can take the queen. Correct. Good afternoon. Good evening, everybody. Anjali, good evening, Anjali.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Daksh. Saurya.
I'm not doing here.
Okay.
Sir, is this correct, sir?
Yes, yes, that's
This
correct.
thing?
Now, can you tell white to play in win?
Win, sir. Right to
Win.
play and win.
White to play in win.
Sir, checkmate or just win?
Win.
Sir, checkmate and win is both same, no, sir.
Checkmate means
Sir,
king.
R-
No, bishop white to play.
Sir, BB7.
BB1, no. Then rook into pawn is there.
Sir, bishop to
Sir,
d5.
Bishop
Bishop
to
D5.
d5. Okay. Now bishop into b5.
sir, then bishop into bishop.
Pawn push queen.
What?
Now rook e8. Now
Oh, but rook will kill, no? Oh, yeah.
rook into pawn. You are one piece up. Did you get it?
Sir, can you
No,
go
I
back?
think one more piece is
Sir,
okay.
can you go
One.
back?
Okay.
One more
Why
piece.
Okay. Bishop.
they give up the queen?
Sir,
No,
after BD5, after black taking the bishop,
Okay. Now
we
rook.
can take the bishop with the rook, no, sir. We can take the rook with the bishop.
Yes, that is also possible. Now bishop can come here. What will you do? Now it is equality. That is why first
Sir,
pawn.
But if the bishop was
Sir,
not there, we
I'm
was
back,
promoting,
mommy.
sir.
Now queen, rook into queen.
Sir.
Now rook into bishop. Now it is correct. You are one piece up. One piece up. Three bishop is coming.
Sir, rook,
Sir,
sir,
same, sir.
rook c8. Rook
How one
c8.
piece
Rook c8, then rook into bishop. Rook into bishop. One piece up for white. One piece up for white.
Sir, is it double like
Sir,
that?
can you go back?
Sir, is it double like that?
It is not double
Sir,
attack.
can you go one step back?
Oh.
It is passed on,
Bishop-
sir.
Pass pawn. Yes. Bishop d5. What will you play?
Sir, bishop into bishop.
Now I'll push the queen. Push the pawn to queen. What will you play? It is called passed pawn. Now rook into queen. Forced. Now rook into.
Sir, I thought it's promotion, sir.
Now it is rook into bishop. Now it is.
Sir, now without taking the rook,
What will you do?
what if white plays?
Black play. What will
Oh, I
black play?
got it, sir. Yes, sir.
Bishop
What
D7.
if black plays? Sir,
Sir, B
now it's
E6.
equal. Oh,
It is a one.
got it, sir. Now he's going. It's a post pawn, sir.
It is
He has
passed.
to.
Now I
Yes.
He has to lose his bishop.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
for
Sir.
sure.
Yes.
Sir,
It is
bishop to e6.
Bishop
Bishop
e6.
e6.
Bishop rook into bishop.
Yes, sir. Now we can't move because it's pinned to the pawn. If
Yes.
rook takes, then it again you will lose the rook.
Yes, yes.
Many ways for a white to attack.
Black to plain board. Black to plain pin.
Let's do Master Mom first.
What is
Sir,
that?
only win, no, sir? Or
Only win, only win, one win.
So are you going to show
And-
game today?
and
Next week I'll show because
and
today I had
you-
a hectic day. Next week I'll show. Next week I'll show the game. Okay.
sir,
NF3, NF3.
NF3 is wrong. Night moment.
NE2,
NE2. Okay. Now,
NF5.
now King H1. What will you play? 2 moves checkmate. 3 moves checkmate.
Knight to
Queen F2. Queen F2.
No. Queen H2 is wrong.
knight to G3.
No. Queen sacrifice. Queen sacrifice. 2 moves check.
Queen
No.
sir, Queen H2, Queen H2.
Queen H2 is wrong. Queen H2 is wrong.
Queen into knight.
Queen into
Sir,
right.
queen into knight.
Queen and to queen. So queen and to queen. So queen.
Okay, sir,
Now
Queen
pawn to
to
queen.
knight.
Now what will
Rook to H5.
H1. Okay. Pawn to rook.
And RH4.
RH. Okay. Oh, correct.
Wait, sir.
Mate. Correct.
Sir, what if pawn does not take the queen?
1 minute. Here, what? You are one piece down. Free piece down. Did you get it?
Yes, sir. Sir, even we can play rook G5, sir. Then we can try to checkmate.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, then white can play pawn push F5, F3, no, sir?
Pawn push F3. You know what?
Oh, he will lose his rook again. Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Sir, can you go 1 second, sir? Now, what will you play, sir, after F3? After
First
F3.
move knight E2.
No, sir. Can you go skip this all, sir?
Okay. Now
Pawn
queen to knight. What will you play?
Pawn to queen. Now it's pawn to queen.
Pawn to queen.
No, sir,
Then
not pawn to. Sir, no, sir, not pawn to queen. F3, sir, F3.
F3 knight G3 check. Knight G3.
Okay, sir. King H2. What will you play, sir?
King H2. Now I'll
G1.
play. Now I'll play queen. What will you play? Or you will lose the rook. No. 1 minute. What will you play?
Sir, you told it's checkmate, no,
It
sir.
is not checkmate. Now knight here. Knight into rook. What will you play?
Sir, then pawn into queen, sir.
Then pawn to queen. Knight into queen.
Or rook into knight.
Knight into rook. Knight into rook. Knight into queen. Knight into queen. You are one rook up. One whole rook up.
Sir, rook in, can you go back? What if rook into knight?
Where is rook into knight possible?
Not now, after that.
Now knight check, king comes here. Now knight into rook. Rook into knight.
That turn.
Then rook here. Rook here. Will you play?
Sir, no, sir, we can play. Sir, we can play queen E2, rook E2, sir. Then we will be one.
No, this is correct. Rook D4 is correct. Rook D4 is correct. Now whatever you do, it will be rook up. One rook up.
No, then, sir, then queen into rook.
Queen to rook. Then
Sir,
queen to
what
queen.
if-
Queen to queen. Check.
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir, can you go back? Sir, next problem.
Okay, next problem.
Please don't.
White to plain win. I'll flip the board. White to plain win.
Sir, white to play, sir.
White to play out. Yes.
Sir, bishop
Sir,
into B6.
NB5, NB5, NB5,
NP5.
NB5,
NB5 then here we
NB5.
had 6 is there. H6 is there. NB5. What will you play? It is
Oh.
white to play.
Bishop into pawn.
Bishop into pawn. Okay. C6.
Sir. Sir, no. Oh.
Now what? will
Sir,
you
then
Then,
NB5, NB5. Now
do?
NB5.
No, not in B5. Not in B5.
Pawn C7.
Pawn C7. Who told? Harush told. Correct, Harush. Correct.
Yes.
Now king into pawn. What will you?
Sir, now
Q
Queen
C6.
A7. QA7. QA7.
Okay. 2h1. Now bishop B7. What will you?
Sir, then check, sir. Sir, what, sir?
No, no.
NB5.
Now NB5, sir.
Now NB5. NB5. NB5 is correct. Now it is unstoppable checkmate.
How, sir? Yes,
No,
sir.
what
Yes,
to-
sir. Got it. No, sir, I got it.
Got it.
This is a checkmate.
Yes.
After king D7, queen into B7, and king can't move on E7, so king has to go to E8. Then we will play off. Sir, what we will play, sir? After king E8,
Knight B.
then you go knight B5 check. Then king moves to D7. After the queen takes, then what will you do, sir?
What will you play
How
now?
to check?
What will you play now?
Sir, now king D7. Can you move, sir?
Now queen to bishop check. What will you play?
Sir, then queen E8.
King E8.
King E8.
Oh, knight.
King E8.
Now knight here check. What will you play?
Sir, then king E. King
Sir, E7.
Now knight here
king
check.
E7.
Knight here check. Oh, double check. You are losing long rook.
Oh, okay, sir. Got it.
But
But it's not checkmate, sir.
it is not checkmate. It is not.
It's a better position,
Better position.
but not
Black to
double check.
black to play in win. Black to play in win.
Sir, in this position, white is completely dominating, sir.
Black to play in win.
Black should play. Sir, rook D1, RD1.
No, knight movement.
Rook D8, rook D8. Knight movement.
Knight movement. Black to play. Knight rook d8 then bishop.
Sir, is it a knight sacrifice?
Knight sacrifice. Yes.
And
Sir, NG4, NG4,
NG4.
NG4. I think this is deflecting.
Rook g4. What will you play? Rook g4. What will you play?
Sir, queen into rook, sir.
And
Sir, rook into knight,
Queen.
queen to rook.
queen to
Now
rook.
knight f6. What will you play?
Sir, move our piece, sir. And
Queen to
sir, queen to knight. Sorry, sir.
Now take queen to queen. Take
now queen
to
takes queen 10. Then
Sir,
rook
why will black
Checkmate, sir.
play?
Checkmate.
Rook d1.
Easy
Even.
checkmate.
Correct. Correct.
Sir, why will white play that move?
What will you play?
Sir, he will be a dumb, sir. That's why he will play.
What will you
Or
play?
else
You
no
are.
one will play.
What will you play now? What will you play now? What will you play?
Sir, now I will play. I will try to trap the queen, sir. Sir, no, sir. H3.
h3.
But
Then
this is
now rook.
it's losing position.
Now rook here. What will you play? Your piece is gone.
Oi. Yes, sir.
No. What if we play NG5?
NG5. Then rook into bishop. Queen is trapped. Queen is trapped.
Okay, not now, sir. Before.
Sir, it's completely winning, sir.
Before if you play, then also knight, rook here. What will you play? Queen is trapped. Queen is trapped. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
White to play and win? White to play and win. I flip the board. White to play.
Sir, knight G5, NG5.
Now head into G5.
Sir, pawn, bishop E4, bishop E4, B4.
Now King H6. What will you? Two moves checkmate.
Sir, now, rook H8, rook H8, RH8, 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 RH8.
Bishop at H8.
RH7, 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 RH7. Mate.
Correct.
Sir, is this a game played?
Yes, it is game played by in year also
Sir,
1963.
1963.
Harper versus Godet, London. All these are game played.
Okay, sir.
White to play and win. White to play.
So all the
Sir,
puzzles
1
you have
minute,
shown.
I'll be back.
Okay. All the yes, it is game played in various years. 1900 to 2021.
Okay, sir. Sir, 2021 games also you have, sir?
Oh, I'll store. Now I have to store.
Okay, sir.
White to
Help better. Sir, NA7, NA7.
NA7. Then king will come.
Sir, no, sir, no, sir. Sir, no, sir, no. It's a free waste pawn. Because of for that 3 pawn, we will lose our knight.
Yes.
No, sir.
Can you tell white to
Sir, is it queen sacrifice? I
knight
think
sacrifice?
like
Knight sacrifice.
Sir, then knight sacrifice and C6.
Correct.
Sir, white to play or black to
Black,
play?
white to play. White to play. Now rook d7. What is it? I will not take the bishop. If look,
Nice.
Sir, then we can take the rook, sir. Rook.
Yes, sir.
now knight h1.
No.
Now midnight 1 minute.
Sir, what?
Knight
Sir,
b8.
No, sir. Queen into pawn in C7.
Knight b8. Now king d7. Now
Sir, why will we? Oh, it's only legal move. Sir, now then we can play rook into.
queen e5.
Sir, what is the use, sir? Use.
Now one piece, one rook will go. One rook will go.
So can you go one step back?
Okay. Now what will you play? Knight here check. What will you play?
Sir, the move is unstoppable, sir.
Yes.
We can't do anything.
King d7.
Knight can go to E7, sir. The knight can go to E7.
No, what is the use? Knight. Then queen d7. Now queen e5.
Sir, can you go back? I have a doubt.
Now
Can I say?
bishop c6. Queen g7.
Sir,
Okay.
can you go back?
Okay. First move is
Sir,
knight
first,
c6.
now he has to save that checkmate. So he plays rook G7. So, okay, sir. I thought he will be scared to take the rook. Sir, what if black plays rook D7, RD7 without playing that move?
rd7.
Huge checkmate.
Fool's checkmate.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Sir, this is not a full checkmate now,
This
sir.
modern or fool's checkmate, similar to fool's checkmate. I don't know the name.
Sir, it's
Okay.
not fool's mate because
But two knights checkmate.
king
Two
is
knights.
not completely
Two
surrounded.
knights checkmate. Two knights checkmate.
Sir, getting one bishop checkmate and 2 knights checkmate and all, it's very rare, sir.
Okay. Two knight checkmate is not possible practically.
Oh, sir, so he got this
Sir,
2
if
knight
you
checkmate.
don't have any piece, it's not.
Yes.
Did he get this?
There is some other.
Sir, who won this game, sir? White or black?
White one.
He had a very big advantage.
Can I go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute. White to play and win.
Sir, some sound is coming, sir.
Yes.
White to play.
Sir, we have that bishop in that H6 lane, sir. It's very dangerous. If that
The
bishop
queen
is
into
there.
rook.
Yes,
Queen-
sir, that's what.
Queen to rook is
What?
wrong. Light movement.
Sir, NF6. NF6. NF6.
Bishop into f6.
Rook into pawn.
Now
See, rook
queen
into
d8.
rook.
Now queen d8.
Why, sir?
Unstoppable checkmate.
Oh, now, oh, I got it, sir.
Now it is got it. Now rook into rook. Now rook into
Sir, what if knight into that?
Sir,
Knight
if
is-
you do that, then bishop into rook, no, sir?
bishop into rook also checkmate. Then rook into rook checkmate. Rook into
No,
rook
sir.
checkmate.
No, sir, in that
Sir,
time.
this checkmate is very, we can't stop
Now what will
this,
you
sir.
play? What will you play? Whatever you play, it will be checkmate.
Sir, now if queen into rook, sir.
Knight is giving check. Knight is giving check.
Sir, what if king h8, king h8?
Eight. Then queen into pawn. Let's move unstoppable checkmate. Unstoppable checkmate.
Okay, sir, got it. We can type of checkmates, 3 types of checkmate is there, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, what if I got it. If bishop into knight, we can play. Okay, sir, got it. Checkmate. Sir, with whom, sir, it was played?
Hug versus unknown person. Unknown. Hug versus unknown. Hug is a grandmaster.
Sir, why
Grandmaster.
did they put
Sir,
that
who won?
person's name?
Hug,
Hug
hug,
versus
unknown. unknown.
Sir, who
What's the
won?
meaning of
Hug
it?
one. Hug one. Hug one.
Okay, sir.
White to play in pin. Hug. This is a hush versus somebody. You know.
Harsha.
Hush versus Ferguson.
Sir,
Hush.
Sir,
Yes.
why to play?
White to play. White to play.
Sir, queen into knight into e6, any
Knight
6.
into e6 wrong. Then knight into e6.
The
Sir,
rook
it's-
into knight.
Knight into e6.
Sir, or knight into f4 pawn, nf4.
NF5 is correct. What is now bishop e3? What will you play? Bishop e3 check. What will you play?
Sir, then rook into pawn, rook into bishop, rook
Sir,
into
no,
bishop.
sir, knight to e7.
Sir, rook into bishop, rook into bishop, rook into bishop.
No.
Oh,
Queen
no, sir,
d7.
no, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
queen d7. Unstead. Printing check.
Sir, knight to e7.
No. Rook e6.
Sir, what is the use? Oh,
No. You
what if n into pawn?
look into
What if
rook into pawn is correct.
that's what, sir.
Rook into f5.
Sir, what if?
Rook g6.
Oh.
Unstoppable checkmate.
Sir, can I know how?
No, what will you play now? Check this.
Sir, I will play. Sir, I will play pawn into. No, sir. I will play pawn into rook. I will play pawn into rook.
Then queen to pawn checkmate. Check. What will you play?
Sir, I will play queen into g7, sir, to
Check
avoid
is there.
check.
Queen g7. Queen g7. Then I will play queen into rook. Rook.
Sir, no, sir, queen into queen checkmate, sir.
Queen to queen checkmate. That's correct. Checkmate.
Ooh, okay, sir. Sorry. This is unstoppable, mate. Correct.
Okay.
No, because the bishop is supporting, sir.
That's it.
Sir, who won this match?
Hush. H2S. Hush. 1998.
Why they not know their opponent's name?
No,
Are
some
they
of them
playing-
are very unknown players are there, not grandmasters.
Sir, was has grandmaster?
Hush is a grandmaster. Hush is a grandmaster.
Sir, is this an online game or some
No,
offline?
offline. All these games are offline.
Then how do then they have to know their opponent's name?
No, they may not be knowing. Some of them are very unusual players. Black to play in win.
Sir, is easy. Oh, it's black to play.
Black to play.
Sir, queen into bishop. Easy mate.
Queen d5, what will you play?
Sir, then this into rook. Rook into queen. Rook into queen.
No,
Pa-
sir,
no,
why can't we
Yes,
play queen into pawn?
That is, what will you play now?
Sir, then
Can you go
Sir,
back?
then
Yes, sir, we can't play any move.
Yeah, right
Sir,
there.
if you
play any
After
move,
queen
then
into bishop,
you have
after queen into
advantage.
pawn,
Queen to pawn, queen to bishop, pawn, what will you play?
Sir,
queen
then
h2, queen h2,
Sir, can I tell?
Queen is,
sir, queen h2.
queen to bishop,
Sir, queen to pawn and rook d5.
Sir,
rook
why
d5.
can't we play queen h2?
Sir, rook d5. Rook
queen
d5.
is, queen h2, there is a check is there, white is giving check.
Okay, sir.
Sir, rook into sir, we can play rook into queen, sir.
Okay, now you have d3, what will you play?
Sir, then we can play
Two moves checkmate, two moves checkmate.
Sir,
Who
rook
moved?
into rook.
Rook into pawn is correct, unstoppable checkmate. King into rook, now rook here. Now rook here, rook
sir,
gets
that
right.
is not a
It is
no, this
checkmate.
is
Checkmate.
Sir, no, sir, you played e5, sir, that time.
No, my hand got mistaken, but okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, next week, can you show any game?
Yes, I'll show the next game. I'll show
Or,
them.
or can you show any openings?
Openings also and go game also. Black to play English.
Sir,
Black to-
I know Gambit, sir. It is played in that Smith. It's called Smith-Morra Gambit, sir. I think you know. You might know.
Okay, I'll check. Because
Able to study, sir. Can you teach me that Gambit next week?
which gambit you mentioned the WhatsApp picture, I'll check.
Okay, sir. Smith-Morra Gambit, it's me.
With more gambit, I'll check.
Yeah, I've heard of it.
Yes, sir, even I think so.
It is popular. That Gambit is. It's even on lectures.
White to
Sir, white is sir.
play and win.
He's having a queen, sir, right?
But white to play and win. How will you win? Black.
Checkmate, sir.
Oh, no, white to play and win. Better position.
Better position.
Sir, pawn push to d6.
Black is winning because
White to play.
Sir, d6.
Sir, G6. G6. Sir, G6.
1 minute. Black to play and win, not white to play. Sorry, black to play and win. Black to play and win. Black to play and win.
rook h1.
No. Black to play and win.
Sir, h4.
No. Black to play.
Sir, and D4. D4.
G4. Now H4, what will you play?
Sir, then I will play king into sir. Rook h1. RH1.
No, black
pawn to pawn.
Pawn to pawn is correct. Unstoppable
Then
checkmate.
G4. Pawn to pawn. Checkmate.
Now
Unstoppable.
F3, what will you play? F3, what will you play?
Sir, then I will play rook into. Sir, I will play rook into rook h1. RH1.
R1, then king can escape. That is why first you have to deflect the bishop.
Sir, then which bishop, sir? Which
This bishop has to be deflect. Got it?
The bishop, the
Yes,
bishop.
Sir,
Bishop to
bishop to bishop.
Okay, now it is correct. Now queen. Now we had G4, unstoppable checkmate. Is there G4? Now knight C3, unstoppable checkmate.
Sir, he's losing his something, sir. He's going to lose.
You
He's
black
going to, sir, no, sir. This is unstoppable net.
unstoppable mate. Correct.
or is losing this match, sir. I
Yes,
think
yes.
that Jack in sir, who won this match?
First, what is his first name?
Jaggin, sir.
No, it's Guchanov win. Guchanov win. Black to win. Black play. Guchanov. He is also grandmaster.
Sir, this Jaggin some name that he is a grandmaster, sir.
Yes, I think he is also grandmaster. Black to plain win. Black to plain win.
Sir, is it last problem?
Another one problem we'll try. One more problem we'll try.
Sir, black to
Sir, queen
Black
into pawn, queen into pawn, queen
Queen
into
to
pawn.
pawn or queen to bishop?
Sir, queen to bishop. Sorry, sir.
GF3?
Sir, then rook
Sir,
G.
rook to. Sir, rook
R8.
into.
RG8?
R8, sir.
RG8, okay. Bishop G6 for to
Sir, then I will play. Oh,
Sir, rook into h2.
look into G6 is correct.
Sir, G3, no, sir.
Look into GT.
Now, after pawn to pawn, we can play
Bishop to
bishop to
pawn.
pawn. Bishop to
Unstoppable.
unstoppable.
Sir, it's an unstoppable.
Unstoppable check. Did you get it?
Sir, if even white tries rook d1, it's not possible, sir.
It is not possible. My team.
Whatever black does, it's unstoppable.
White to plain
Sir,
win.
this white.
White to play. White to play.
Sir, rook f5 or f5.
No. White to play.
Sir, bishop to h3.
Bishop to F7 is correct. Now queen
Sir,
F7
white
what?
to play, sir.
Yes, white to play. Oh, sorry, I did not. Now queen F7 what will you play?
Sir, rook d8, rd8.
RD8. RD8. King G7 what will you play?
Oh, that bishop is there.
Okay, no.
Sir,
what
then,
will-
sir, queen c3,
King
c3.
Correct. So queen F6 what will you play?
Sir, then I will play. Sir, once again. Sir, I
Sir,
will
rook
play
to e8.
rd6, rd6.
No, queen C7 is correct. One piece is going. One piece.
Sir, what move, sir? I can't see.
Queen C7. Queen C7 is correct. Queen C7. Check.
Now that we can.
Both the
try-
rooks are going. Both the rooks are going.
Sir, how both rooks are going,
Now
sir?
what will you play? King moves, then queen to rook.
Sir, only one rook is going, sir.
Another rook is also. If queen kills the rook, this rook will also go.
Oh.
Sir, we
Oh,
can
sir,
kill the
why
queen
will we
instead,
play-
no, sir?
What
Yes,
will you
sir.
play?
Why
What will
can't we
you,
just take the queen instead of taking
but
the
how can you take the queen? Queen is
Sir, if the queen hits the rook, we
queen
can
to
take
rook,
it
we
with the
can
rook
take
only.
the
no
queen
rook is rook.
Yes,
This,
sir.
now what will you play? One rook is going and one bishop is going. What will you play?
Sir, no, if the black
sir.
queen hits our rook,
black
sir, we
cannot
can
take our rook
Yes, sir.
because
You took that white rook, sir.
Yes,
Then
yes.
it.
Now-
Then it will
Now can I chant
the
mantra?
other rook will kill it.
Now can I
Yes,
chant
sir.
mantra?
Yes, sir.
नमस्कार शास्त्र मूर्ते शास्त्र पदक शिरोबावे शास्त्र हमने पुरुषा शास्त्र शास्त्र कोट के दाने ओम शांति 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 थैंक यू
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a
Thank you,
nice day,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a
Thank you,
nice
sir.
day.
Bye,
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.